Okay. So minus plus, I'll do one thing. How to stop? How to stop, guys? Control Z. But we need to keep the process into the foreground, right? So FG percentile job ID 2. Now we keep the process sleep 20,000 process into the foreground. Control Z. Both the process are stopped. See, guys, here. This is previous process G edit, and this is current process minus previous process plus present process. I hope you got it. How we need to run the process into the background? BG is a command. Instead of doing this, you can give ampersand symbol end of the command. Directly the process it will run into the background. Right? No need to stop. No need to run the like process into the background using BG command. Directly while you are trying to executing the command, if you're providing the ampersand symbol end of the command, automatically the process it will be running into the background. The process it will running into the background. Right? So BG ampersand, sorry, percentile 1. So percentile 1 means G edit. So G edit, it's running into background now. See, guys, here it's running. If you want, you can use percentile 2. Now sleep command also it's running. Both the commands it's running into the background now. Those all into sleeping status, right? I hope you got it, guys. Again, how we need to get the process into the foreground? FG command, that's it, na? FG percentile job ID. Gedit file 1, it's turning into the foreground. How we need to kill this process? How we need to terminate the process? Control C to terminate. Control Z to stop. Control C. Control Z to stop. Control C to terminate, right? So let's see here. Jobs as a command, only one job it's running into our operating system, that too in background. I hope you got it, guys, right? So sleep 20,000 job it's running now, right? Okay. So already we done those all stuff. How to stop, how to start, how to get the process into the foreground, how we need to send the process into the background, everything we already discussed, right? So here, according to this diagram, we need to identify the status. So how to identify the status, right? R means running. R means running, R runnable, R ready, whatever if you want, I can say, if you having R, right? T means stop. T means stop. S process interruptible. D process uninterruptible. K process killable, right? Z zombie. X wrap means completed. So I hope you got it, guys. Those symbols from where we need to get. How to identify the proper status of process? With the help of PS command. Which command? With the help of PS command. So PS will form process status, right, guys? So let's see here, man PS, man page we are trying to opening. So with the help of man command, we are going to get the manual page of PS. Let's see, guys, here, PS. What is the use of PS? Report a snapshot of current process. Current running process details we are going to get. We are going to get the static values, not dynamic value. Current process static values we can able to get, right? So how to execute the PS command? PS, and we need to provide the option according to our requirement. Okay. Coming to PS, it will support several kind of options, guys. See, guys, PS, this version especially, right? So this version of PS accepts several kind of options. Okay. Several kind of options means PS, it will support Unix options. PS, it will support BSD options. PS, it will support GNU option. So those three vendors will have in Linux: Unix, BSD, Berkeley Software Development. That is also free source, right? We are using GNU Linux. We are using GNU Linux, right? Unix options it will support, BSD option it will support, and GNU options it will support. See, guys, Unix option, if we having single dash, okay, one dash, that is Unix option. If you doesn't have any dash, that is BSD options. If we having two dashes, that is GNU Linux option. I hope you got it, guys. So PS, it will support several kind of options. What are they? Unix options it will support, BSD options it will support, and GNU options it will support. Got it, guys? So now go a little bit down, see the differences. If you want, you can give PS hyphen A hyphen AUX. And if you want, you can give, this is Unix option, Unix style option, hyphen. Without hyphen, BSD option. I hope you got it, guys. So we have different types of examples. See here. PS hyphen E, EF, E capital F, ELF. What is the use of those all the option? See, every process on the system using standard syntax. I hope you got it, guys. So we are going to use standard syntax. This is BSD syntax. Already we are not providing any hyphen. If you didn't provide the hyphen, that is BSD syntax. If you having two hyphen, that is GNU syntax. I hope you got it, guys. Usually most of the people, they are going to use BSD syntaxes only. PS, AX, AXU, AUX, whatever if you want to can give, it's not a problem. AXU means all the user related process we are going to get. It may be student user, it may be root user. How many users will have into our operating system? How many users we logged into our operating system? Those all the users process we can able to get. I hope you got it, guys, right? So different types of options will have. No need to bother about those all the options. I will teach you few syntaxes. Remember those syntax, that is enough to get the proper information related to our processes. Got it, guys? A number of the options will have, guys. PS, EVO, AXO, right? One option you need to remember, I'll tell you not now, after some time. Okay. Sometime means in the session itself only, it will take some time. Okay. So at the time I will tell you, just remember that option, that is enough. According to your requirement, you can filter the fields. I hope you got it, guys. So I hope you're clear what is the use of PS. Process status. It will print the background running process details. PS full form process status on. So we are going to get the process status, right? So clear. So let's see, guys, here. If you execute PS, then you're going to get only 4 fields. One is PID, process ID, to identify the process, and TTY, terminal number. So we are executing those all the process where into PTS0 terminal. So terminal number and time, by what time we executed. So actually I have taken a snapshot, because of that reason is showing 00. Usually you will get the time. Got it? So this operating system is having the snapshot. Okay. Because of that reason 000 it is showing, right? So now su command we executed, bash command we executed, sleep command we executed, ps command we executed. Just now recently we executed ps command recently, because of that reason. So actually the system time is not properly, we doesn't have the system time, because of that reason you are not getting proper time here. In your computer you can execute, in your laptop you can execute, you are going to get the time and those all stuff, right? Okay. So now 4 fields is not enough for us. With the help of those 4 fields, we are unable to identify the proper status of a process. So how to get the proper details, proper status of our process? In a sense, we should use PSAUX, AXO, AXU also you can use, it's not a problem. All users information we are going to get, right? PS space AXU, AUX, whatever if you want to can use, it's not a problem. Okay. Then hit enter. This is BSD option. See, all information related to all user. Background running, all the process details we are going to get with the help of PSAUX, AXU. This is BSD style option. BSD So options, BSD style syntax, right? Okay. So see guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 fields will have, okay. 11 fields will have n number of the process it's running into the background, right guys? So see here, how many processes will have? PID, 4888. Those many processes running into the background. I hope you got it, guys. Those all the process. See, guys, this is a status. I'll tell you how to know the like starting line, guys. How to navigate the starting line. I need to check the starting fields names. Then how? Which command we need to use to navigate the output? Which command we need to use along with PS to navigate the output? BSD means Berkeley Software Development, man. Akhil, Berkeley Software Development developers, right? Like Unix, like GNU will have BSD also, right? So clear. So how to know the starting of the line in this output? Huh? So how to know the starting line? How we need to navigate this output? If you are executing PSAUX, you're getting output, right? Now I need to navigate this output. Huh? GG. Really? If you type GG, it will print GG here. We discussed GG in VIM editor, right? Then this is PSAUX command, right? If you execute, we are getting huge output. Now I need to check the starting of the line. Then how? पाइपलाइन यूज करके कौन सा कमांड? हेड. और थोड़ा सोचो. Total output I need. Head means only 10 lines will get. Did you get the hint, guys? Huh? Super. More or less? Yes. और थोड़ा सोचो बोल के इसीलिए बोला. PSAUX, then less. Then can we able to navigate the content now? Yes, no, right? So let's see here. First field, username, right? PID. प्रॉमिस नहीं करा कैसा कि जो 50 रुपीज का चॉकलेट 100 रुपीज का चॉकलेट बोल के, and ये तो 50 रुपीज का चॉकलेट चले जाता था मेरा, राइट? सो यूजर, फर्स्ट फील्ड इज यूजर, right? Username. Second field, PID, process ID, and CPU utilization, memory utilization. VSZ means virtual memory. VSZ means virtual memory. RSS means what you are thinking, that is not RSS. That is a different story. RSS means resident set size. RSS will form resident set size. I'll tell you. For example, you are very hungry, right? From morning onwards, yesterday night onwards, you didn't had anything till evening 4 o'clock. Assume this. Okay. So yesterday night onwards, you didn't had anything. Even you didn't had the water also even. You're very hungry. Then you are going to visit to one restaurant to having something. Then you order biryani. So now in this case, a single biryani is enough, guys. Huh? We are very hungry, right? Huh? So single biryani is not enough for us now at present, because we are thinking our mind, it is going to indicate you, boss, single biryani is not enough for your stomach now. You're very hungry. You need to have more than single, right? Then apna man bolta hai, and then we are going to order handi biryani, regular pack, right? Instead of single. I hope you got it, guys. Pot biryani we are going to order. order. Pot biryani is a very huge biryani for us. For me, actually, I don't know about you. For me, like that pot biryani is a very more than enough for me. So उसमें half भी नहीं खाता हूँ मैं, right? So clear. We are going to order total pot, guys, right? Then अपना मन बोल रहा है. So we should have everything like the total pot, but our stomach it's not supporting. More than single, little bit, right? More than single, maybe we are trying to having more than two pieces. Like usually we are going to have one piece and then we are going to have now two pieces. That's it, right? So more than two pieces, we are unable to have any, right? Remaining is waste, right? Usually what we are going to think, we need more biryani to have, but we are not going to have we are not going to add the total entire pot biryani. So more than single biryani we are going to utilize, we are going to have. Like the same way, this process while it is starting, it is going to think I need more space to run, more memory to run, but it's not going to use the total memory. According to the process, it is going to use some memory from total memory. So, for example, VSZ is a total memory, guys. This is a virtual memory. System D, what's it's thinking? I need more memory to run those all the process like that. So it is try to accessing this much of memory, but how much it is utilizing? I hope you got it now. Total memory from utilized memory. So that is called RSS. So the, for example, 1 GB memory, its total will have, but it's tried utilizing only 200 MB, for example. That is called RSS. वो सोच रहा है स्टार्ट होने के टाइम पे मेरे को 1 GB चाहिए, मगर 1 GB यूटिलाइज नहीं होता वहां पे. Maybe 200 or 300, 400 MB like this. I hope you got it. That is called RSS, resident set size. Okay. So TTY, terminal number. Guys, if you having question mark, those all the processes are related to operating system. It's not belongs to user. If you having question mark in TTY, those all the processes belongs to operating system. It's not belongs to particular user. So here we need to focus. State STAT. Yes, 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 like this will have. Don't bother about the small s and less than, I will tell you later. If we having s, the process, it's interruptible. Sleeping, we discussed, right? So here, yes means process interruptible, right? So process interruptible, we can able to interrupt. Those all the process it's sleeping. Then starting time, ending time. We didn't end the session, right? 00 to showing. And how many commands we executed, how many process it's running into the background. I hope you got it, each and every field now. Username, PID, process ID. First PID is a system D. See, first PID is a system D, right? CPU utilization, memory utilization, virtual memory, and how much we used, RSS, then TTY, terminal number, status, field, start time, end time, how many commands we are running into background. So clear? Go to end of the page. If we observe, we'll have sleep 20,000, right? See guys, sleep 20,000 executed by whom? Root user, right? Yes, no. Sleep 20,000, it got executed by whom? Root user. This is PID to identify the process. For example, I need to identify you peoples. How we are going to identify? With the help of your ID card. Like the same way, each and every child process, it having one PID, process ID. With the help of process ID, we are going to track the process for security, right? And CPU utilization, memory utilization, and total virtual memory. From virtual memory, how much it is utilizing, RSS, and in which terminal it's running, in DVPTS0 terminal. Then S means process, it's sleeping. It's running into background. I hope you got it, guys. Process, it's sleeping, it's running into background, right? S means. Then time, according to system time, we executed 11:45. Actually, time is different, right? So I think we changed the what time zone, because of that reason we got like that. Okay, right? And command finally sleep 20,000. So clear. Q to quit, guys. We are back to terminal. Q is an option. Quit from PS less command. We are back to terminal. So clear. Now we are going to stop the process. How to stop the process? How to stop the process? Let's check the job. Sleep 20,000. It's running into the background, right? Then how we need to stop? FG percentile job ID 2. Control Z to stop. It got stopped. Let's check PS AUX. See guys here. Where is that? It became T. Before we'll have S. Now it became T. T means stop. S means sleeping. R means running. Z means zombie. K means kill. Killable. So here we can able to identify the process status. We stop this process. Because of that reason, we have T. With the help of the status field, we are going to get the proper status of our particular process. Got it, guys? R means running. Running. So S sleeping. R plus means current, present running process. Just now we executed PS AUX command. So I hope you got it, guys. Right? About PS command. So different options will have PS-E, right? 3 fields will get PS-EF. See, 4 to 5 fields will get. Depends upon your requirement, you can give the option. Okay. So maximum standard syntax PS-AUX. BSD option, PS-AUX, you will get the detailed information about your process. You are going to get the PID, will get the username. So by what time we are started, by what time we are going to end, and then status, everything will get. RSS, virtual memory, CPU utilization, memory utilization, everything will get. So better to use PS-AUX option. So then you are going to get the proper detailed information. So right, guys, I hope you got it right. Okay. So this process, it's running into it's stop into background. Now I need to make the process into the running status. What we need to do? We need to call the process into the foreground. Again, we need to use Z. Then we need to use BG, like this options we are using. Doesn't need, guys. We have one command called kill. Kill. Kill all and pkill. Different types of options will have to manage the process. As of now, we used Control Z, Control C to manage the process. To stop, to start. For starting, we are using FG and BG. To stop, we are using Control C. But we need to keep the process into the foreground, then only Control Z it will work. Yes, no. If it is into the background, then can we able to stop the process? Can we able to manage the process? Only foreground process we can able to manage using Control C, Control Z. But here with the help of kill command, you can able to manage the process. Maybe if it is into the background, maybe into foreground. In foreground, always we can able to use Control C to kill the process, to terminate the process. Right, guys? So kill is a command. Most of the people, what they are thinking in a sense, with the help of kill command, we are going to kill the process. 90% people, they are thinking like that only. Kill is a command to kill the process, right? By default behavior of the kill, it will terminate the process, will accept that. But we have various types of options in kill command. With the help of those options, according to our requirement, we can able to manage the process. I hope you got it, guys. Instead of using Control C, instead of using Control Z and FG and BG, then we can able to use kill command also. kill command having 64 signals. How many signals will have? Kill command having 64 signals, guys. Now we are not going to use all the 64 signals. Hardly 5 to signals we are going to learn according to our requirement as an administrator. I hope you got it, guys. So, okay, don't get fear. You're not going to learn. My voice is low. Guys, what about remaining peoples? Manu, he's saying my voice is low. Yes, guys. Can you hear me? Devi, crystal clear. Very good. Amar, it's fine. Maybe, Manu, you have some problem with your internet. Please go through that, okay? So, better to use Wi-Fi, guys. Okay, right. Very good, guys. So, kill space hyphen L. Hyphen L means list. We are going to list out the kill signals, options, whatever if you want to say. So usually in coming to kill command, we need to use the terminology called signal. You can say option also, it's not a problem. Okay. But coming to especially kill command, terminology. Signal is a terminology we need to use here. Okay. Total 64 signals we'll have. Right. So for example, we are going to learn signal 1. Signal HUP means hang up. Hang up. Signal hang up, guys. Hang. Okay. So signal INT. Signal keyboard interruption. Right. INT means keyboard interruption. SIG quit. Keyboard quit. Keyboard quit. 9. Signal kill. We are going to kill the process. Okay. And signal termination. We are going to terminate the process. Right. And signal 19. We are going to stop the process. And signal 18. We are going to continue the process. By default behavior of kill command, signal termination. By default, if you didn't provide any signal name or signal ID, it will take 15. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Let's check jobs. One command, it's running into background, sleep 20,000. Now we need to manage this process with the help of kill command. So now the status of this process, it's stopped. Now we need to start. Kill, which option we need to use? Signal continuation, right? CONT. Instead of writing SIG CONT, you can write 18 also. It's not a problem. Right, guys? If you want, you can write hyphen SIG CONT. Instead of hyphen SIG CONT, you can use hyphen 18 also. 18. Then we need to provide the process ID of this particular process, or otherwise job ID also you can give. Kill command, it will accept both. If you want, you can provide the job ID to manage the job. If you want, you can provide the process ID also to manage the process. I hope you got it, guys, right? So now we are using at present job ID 2. Percentile job ID. Then hit enter. Let's check the job. See, guys, before it stopped, now it's running. So I hope you're clear how to manage the process with kill command. Then kill hyphen 19. So if you want, you can give process ID. How to get the process ID? PSAUX is a command. Sleep 20,000 process ID 3930. That is yes, 3930. Kill hyphen 19 3930. Let's check the PSAUX command. See, guys, here sleep 20,000, it stopped. See, let's check the job. If you want, you can check the jobs. It got stopped. Now we need to terminate. Kill hyphen 15, then job ID or process ID. So 3930 is a process ID. Now it got terminate, what happened? It got killed. Actually, some bugs will have, it will work. It is not a problem. Okay. Terminate also, it will work. It got killed. Killed process, we are unable to get. Guys, what is the difference between kill and termination? If you kill the process, you're going to lose the process from your operating system. Yes. If you terminate the process also, you're going to lose the process from our operating system. Now, what is the difference between kill and termination? Termination means we are going to terminate the process smoothly from scratch, from days onwards. Maybe one process, it's tried to connecting with some different processes. Smoothly, we are going to terminate. Kill forcefully. The difference between termination and kill. So if you're using termination command, smoothly it is going to terminate everything. It is going to clear. Okay. Kill forcefully. Forcefully, it is going to kill the process. Both the process, if you want to can kill, if you want to can terminate, both the process it doesn't have into our operating system. Both it is going to dead. If you want to can kill, if you want to can terminate. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? So now let's see here. We are trying to executing again sleep 10,000 command ampersand. Sleep 10,000 command, it's running into background. It's running into background. So PSEAUX. See guys, sleep 10,000 command is into S means process interruptible. We can able to interrupt the process. Right? Now, what is kill hang up? I hope you know how to terminate. I'll show you. Let's see here. -15. Then 5862. It got terminated now. It's working. वो इसके पहला कुछ प्रॉब्लम था वो सो बग था इस वजह से टर्मिनेट नहीं अभी टर्मिनेट हो रहा है राइट वी कैन टर्मिनेट इट ओके सो गॉट इट गाइस इट गॉट टर्मिनेटेड राइट सो क्लियर so we doesn't have termination process guys let's see so we doesn't have the termination process terminated process we doesn't have it got dead it got completed right okay so what is signal hang up signal hang up HUP signal quit to quit keyboard quit signal interruption INT also keyboard interruption you can do that is not a big deal 2 and 3 what is 1 I hope you clear about 19 continuation 80 stop then 15 termination 9 kill 1 hang up right and what is the use of hang up why we need to use hang up signal with kill command let's see guys here I hope like you know very well about AWS right about EC2 SSH you are also my student only right previous batch student right okay. So guys for example we are executing 20,000 sleep 20,000 this process it's running into background if you using signal hang up okay percentile 1 it is going to hang up we doesn't have this process into our operating system okay if you execute the hang up signal with one process it will hang up we doesn't have actually in which cases we need to use this hang up in the sense for server related process we need to use servers will have right server also having the process ID let's see I will tell you guys You know very well about SSH, right? SSH, Secure Socket Shell. Yes, no. We discuss about SSH very clearly, right? Usually, what is the use of SSH? Okay, new peoples, it's okay, guys. Few old peoples will have, and then my students will have. AWS my student and Avinash sir students also they know, right? So how to use the SSH already we discussed, right? Okay. So now what is the use of SSH, guys? We are trying to accessing the remote Linux machine into our machine. Same Linux machine to Linux machine, like I said, TeamViewer, I said like AnyDesk, right? Example. AnyDesk and TeamViewer, those are third-party applications. SSH is an inbuilt application for Linux-like machines, Unix-like machines. We are going to access the Linux machine into Linux machine remotely using SSH, right? Already we know that. So here we doesn't have the multiple machine, guys. Can we able to access with the help of SSH same machine user into the same machine? I hope you got it. Actually, we are trying to accessing the another machine user into our machine remotely using SSH. Now I doesn't have the multiple machine at present. Only one machine I have. Can I able to access the same machine user into same machine? Don't get confused. Okay. Listen the question clearly. We have few user accounts into our operating system, right? Can we able to access with the help of the student user, okay, root user remotely into same machine? Usually we are trying to accessing the another mission's root user into our mission, right? But here in this cases, I doesn't have the multiple mission. I have the only one mission. I need to show you signal hang up, how it will work. Because of that reason, I need one service. So by default, we'll have SSH service. You know very well about SSH service, right? Now what we are doing in the sense, instead of switch from student user to root user using su command, I'm going to use SSH command. Can we do? Yes, guys. Yes, we can. Got it. అర్థం కాలేదు కదా, నిన్న వస్తే అర్థమవుతుంది క్లాస్కి. విన్నారా? వెరీ గుడ్. సో SU hyphen we are using. We are going to switch student user to root user, right? So in local mission itself only, same mission itself only, we are going to switch student to root user. SU command already we know, but we are not doing now like that. We are using SSH to access the root user into same mission root user. We are accessing into same mission using SSH. I hope you got it now, right? So clear. So let's see here how to know the IP address of this mission, right? So this is the IP address. Better to log in as a root and then execute systemctl restart network, right? So now we are going to get one IP address now. Okay. So let's check the IP address. See guys, 192.168.1.30 is the IP address, right? Okay. Exit from root user, right? SSH. How we need to access the root user with the help of SSH? Yes, madams. How to access root నిన్నే చెప్పుకుంది మనం. IP address or host name అన్నానా? గుర్తుందా? I hope did you yesterday only we discussed. Yesterday morning 9 o'clock. Yes. Yes, we need to provide the password. It's working, right? Same mission root user, we are accessing remotely into same mission. I hope you got it, guys, right? Now SSH, it's working. Why I have access into same mission in the sense, whether SSH it is working or not, we need to verify first. Okay. Now we need to avoid the root user login remotely. How to avoid the root user remote login? Enti madam? How to avoid the root user remote login? Yes, Adi. Don't know. Huh? Everything you right. Login as a root user locally, right? VIM/etc. Guys, no need to bother about SSH who doesn't know. I'll teach you, not now, after completing the networking concepts. Again, I will teach networking concept for you peoples. So my students, Avinash are students, they know very well about networking. Even though we have another peoples, few people they are doing DevOps, few people they are doing AWS. For them, I will teach you networking concept. No need to bother. Okay. New peoples who doesn't know about SSH. Okay. Open this, go to little bit down and find out the custom madam aithe. So we need to provide no. అస్సలు ఏమైనా గుర్తొచ్చిందా? అస్సలు గుర్తు రాలేదా? సో నిన్నే మేడం 24 hours కూడా అవినట్లేదు కదా అసలు. సో సేవ్ అండ్ క్విట్, దెన్ సిస్టమ్ CTL, restart SSH, right? So we need to save the changes. We avoid the root user login now, right? We can able to log in local, but we are unable to log in remotely. So let's, oh God, what we did. So I think like we reset, like we should not reset the service. So, right, no issues. Right? VIM/etc SSHT_com. Guys, no need to bother about this. Just I'm trying to teaching to you people what is the use of signal hang up. Okay, that's it. Just focus on it. That's enough. CTL. Start. Okay. Now we need to edit again. Then I'm trying to keeping no. But I'm not going to reset the service. If we didn't reset the service, we can able to access, right, remotely. What we did, the modification we didn't apply. Okay, we can able to access the root user remotely. It's not a big deal. Happen, right? It's asking password. We can. Got it, guys? Yes, no. Right. Login as a root user. Now what we are doing in the sense, what we need the changes we need to apply in the sense, we need to hang up this process. How to get the process ID, system CTL, status SSHT. So this is a process ID of SSHT, kill-1 process ID 6822. If you execute, -9 means kill kar dega. What we are doing, signal hang up, right? First signal hang up, what it will do in the sense, what you did the modification in your configuration file, it will apply now. We did few modification into configuration file, right? Those configuration file changes, it is going to apply now. Usually system CTL restart SSHD we should give. Signal hang up also it will do same. But if you're using the signal hang up for normal process, it is going to kill. It is going to hang the process. Always hang process, it is going to remove from operating system. But service, it is not going to remove. What you did, the modification into your configuration file, those modification, it is going to apply now. If you execute signal -1 1822, Don't bother about SSH. I will teach you later. I hope you got it. What is the use of signal hangup? Let's try to access. Can we? Let's try. We are unable to access the root user now because we did the modification into the configuration file. See, permission denied. I hope you got it. What is the use of signal hangup? If you did any configurations into configuration file, so if you use the like signal one, it is going to apply. It is going to hang, it will apply. What we did the modification. Clear? Signal quit, keyboard quit. Signal 2, keyboard interruption. So it's not a big deal. So clear, guys? But we can able to log in like this. You are unable to use SSH command because remote root login we denied. We didn't deny the local root login. Local root login we didn't deny. We deny only remote root logins. If you're using SSH, then only you are unable to access. If you want, you can use SU command to switch from student user to root user. Got it? Right. Don't worry about SSH. I will teach you again. Okay. While completing the yesterday, we don't have the session. Yesterday, I'm not talking about our session, man. Someone else session. Okay. Don't worry, Nagiredi. I will teach you anyway. Don't worry, guys. Okay. Just try to understand what is signal hangup. What you are doing the modification into your configuration file, those configuration file modification, it is going to apply with the help of signal hangup. It is going to hang up the process. Right? Okay. So how we'll have the kill command? Like the same way, we'll have kill all, same signals you can use. Kill all, pkill. Right? So kill all, in the name itself only, kill all. Here, don't use process ID and job ID. We need to use command pattern. Command pattern means command name, process name we need to use. Same signals, guys. Okay. So let's see here. Let's check the jobs. It doesn't have any jobs. We are trying to executing few jobs, guys. Same job. Okay. 10,000 and sleep 20,000. Like this jobs we executed. Same name, right? Sleep. Now those both the process we need to manage at a time. Kill all is a command. Kill all hyphen 19 to stop, right? Sleep. 18 to continue, right? So kill all 18. Don't give the command. So don't give the process ID and job ID. We need to give the command name there. Sleep is a command name, right? Now both it's running. I hope you got it, guys. Kill all hyphen 15 sleep. Both it got terminated. I hope you're clear. What is the difference between kill and kill all? Both we are going to use to manage the process. Both the commands we are going to use to manage the process. But what is the difference between kill all and kill command? What is the difference between kill all and kill command, guys? Kill command, to manage the process with the help of kill command, we need job ID and process ID. Coming to kill all, command pattern. Here, job ID and process ID don't accept. We need to provide the command name. Got it, guys? Yes, no? Right. Next. pkill. Let's see, guys. We have one more terminal. Multiple terminals we are going to open. Log in as a root into this terminal. How to know the terminal number? So TTY is a command to know the terminal number. This is dvpts1 and this is dvpts 0, right? Two different terminals, right? Okay. Now we are into terminal 1, guys. Okay. Now terminal 1 root user, two different sessions. This is one session. This is another session. This is one classroom. That is another classroom, right? Two different sessions. Now this session guy, he's going to manage that session process with the help of pkill command. So we are into PTS1 terminal. We are into, so we are into PTS1 terminal. Then we are trying to executing sleep 20,000. It's running, right, guys? Now this process we are going to manage from terminal 0. I hope you got it now. So with the help of pkill, guys, kill all, pkill almost same. But what is the difference between kill all and pkill? In the sense, kill all same terminal process we can able to manage with the help of kill all, but pkill command, so you can manage another session process, another terminals process also. Process kill, pkill, -t option, then PTS1 is a terminal number. We need to provide the terminal number. So which terminal process we need to manage, right? Then option always 19 to stop. Then same command pattern, guys. Sleep is a command. So go to terminal number 1. Let's check the jobs. See, it got stopped. Before it's running, right? We start from terminal 0. PTS0 terminal, we stop. See guys, two terminal, terminal 1, terminal 2. We are managing the process, terminal 2 process from terminal 1. Got it? So now let's see here. We need to start. Then you can start. Go to terminal 2. Let's check the jobs. See, it's running. Then we need to terminate. What we need to do? -15. It will terminate. Clear? With the help of pkill, you can manage the another terminal process also. Technically, what we need to say, we can able to manage the another session process also with the help of pkill command. Kill is a command to manage the current terminal process with PID, with job ID. Kill all is a command. Kill all is a command to manage the current terminal process with the help of command pattern. Pkill is a command. We can able to manage the another terminal process also, but we should use command pattern only here. Don't use process ID and job ID for pkill. Kill all and pkill almost same. So we should use only command pattern here. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? How to manage the process with the help of kill, kill all and pkill instead of using Control Z and Control C. BG and FG. Clear? So as of now, if you're having any doubts, any questions, please. So first, I said I will tell you, right? Already have given the information. Where are you? Viru. R means, what is R, guys? What is R? Running. S means sleeping. T means stop. Already we discussed again what I need to give the answer. R means running, ready, runnable. T means stop. S means sleeping. K means killable. D means uninterruptible. Z means zombie. X means trap. Yes, no. That small s and less than and L, those all stuff I will tell you later, I said, right? Yes, no. Right. పద్మానా ఏమ్మా ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కి రాలేదా? మన పద్మానే లాగుందిగా, కాదా? తెలీదా? రైట్, ఓకే. సో క్లియర్. I hope you got it, guys. Yes, no. I'll tell you small s, L, capital S. Capital S already you know. Sleeping. What is small s? What is less than? What is N? What is L? Everything I will tell you. Give me some time, okay? So I hope you're clear. As of now, if you're having any doubts, any questions, please. Any questions, any doubts as of now? I hope you got right. You can. Why you are bothering about host name hyphen? I already we discussed about IP-ADDR to know the detailed information. Yes, no. We have multiple commands to know the IP address. And usually in 7.0, which command we are going to use? IP-ADDR. IP-ADDR is officially from 7.0 onwards, they introduced to us to know the interface details. So clear, guys? Okay, right. Next. How to know the load average of our CPU? This is a very, very, very important concept. One more command. PS3 command also will have, guys. PS3 process tree structure, it will show you. Background running process tree structure, it will show you. PS3 command. PS3 tree structure, it will show you. Okay. So how many processes running into the background? Those tree structure, it will show you. PS3 is a command. Like PSAUX will have, right? Like the same way, PS3, it will show you tree structure, right? And then especially you need to find out the particular user process, PS-U username you can give. You're going to get the particular user's running process, maybe student user process unit, root user process unit, right? So better to use stop command. There we are going to get the dynamic value. I will tell you what is stop and those whole stuff. Don't worry, okay? So now we'll discuss about CPU load average. CPU load average 100%. If you attend the Linux interview, you are going to get one question from CPU load average related question. How to know the CPU load average? Definitely they will ask like this question. Okay. Maybe if you are attending Linux interview, so definitely interviewer, they will ask how to know the CPU load average. Uptime is a command. What is that? Uptime. Excuse me, guys. Uptime is a command. So uptime is a command to know the CPU load average. Top command also, we'll discuss later about top. First of all, let it complete uptime. Okay. Uptime is a command to know the CPU load average. This is system time, guys. Okay. Past how many hours we are running this operating system, it will show you. See here. This is system time, and this is how many hours we are using this operating system. Past 1 hour 4 minutes we are using this operating system, almost like so 5:14, right? We started like 5:10 onwards, right? So past 1 hour 4 minutes onwards we are using same exact time it is showing. Right, guys? Past 1 hour 4 minutes we are using this operating system. 3 users will have. Why 3 it is showing? We'll have only 2 users, right? Student and root, right? We log in with student user, we switch from student user to root user, right? Only 2 users will have login users. Why it is showing 3? It should show 2 only, right? Student and root. Why it's showing 3? Because by default, sometimes postfix user, it will active. Postfix POSTFIX. Postfix user. నిద్రపోండి అందరూ. ఒక రేంజ్ లో నిద్రపోతున్నారు ఆ ముగ్గురు అయితే. ఏం పేరు మేడం ఇది? ఆల్రెడీ ఫేస్ నిద్రపోయి లేచినట్టు ఉంది. సరే, లెట్స్ కంటిన్యూ ద సెషన్ గైస్. తప్పు చేసినా కూడా ఒప్పుకోరు వీళ్ళు. సో 3 users will have. One is postfix. By default, one user will have that is called postfix. Right guys? Sometimes it will active. Postfix is a user, it belongs to mail server. Got it? For internal mail server, we are going to use postfix package, SMTP server, right? SMTP server, mail server, okay? SMTP, mail, both are same, man. SMTP is a protocol. Samba is a different. Okay? Clear, guys? That mail server related user, it will active sometimes. Because of that reason, it is showing 3 users now. Root, student, postfix. 3 total. Got it? Right. Load average. Load average. This is per minute load average, guys. CPU load average. Okay. Per minute load average. This is 5 minutes load average. And this is 15 minutes load average. CPU, how much load it's managing, that is average. That average we are trying to calculating here. We are not calculating, it is going to provide if you execute the uptime command. Okay. So this is per minute, 1 minute load average per minute. This is 5 minutes load average. And this is 15 minutes load average. Got it? Uptime is a command. Right, guys? How to know the CPU cores? How to know the CPU cores? How many cores we'll have in our CPU? How we need to know? ఏమనకి ఎందుకు లేండి మేడం అంటారా? How to know the CPU cores? एक बंदा भी ठीक तरीके से नहीं पढ़ रहा है. So no one they're reading the previous concepts. No one they're bothering about previous concepts. Simply you are people, you are attending the session, and then after completing the session, then you are sleeping. That's it. Yes. If you're doing like this, then how you can able to provide the answers? You know very well how to know the CPU cores. Do you know file system hierarchy? While we are discussing about file system hierarchy, at that time I have given the information. How to know the CPU information. Command भी बता दिया. In question itself on cat proc. So CPU info. Very good. Cat proc CPU info. Then hit enter. How many cores will have? 2 cores will have. Our LS CPU also you can execute. Cat proc CPU info. LS CPU. Right? Also you can able to execute to know the CPU cores. How many cores will have? 2 cores will have. While we are trying to creating the virtual machine, did you remember processor cores? We provided 2, means 2 cores. Got it? So this is one way to identify the CPU cores. We have the one more command, grep grep model name, then proc CPU info. Got it? How many cores will have? Grep model name, MODL name, proc CPU info. So core 1, core 2. So each core 2.0 gigahertz, right? Two cores will have. Uptime is a command. It will provide you both the cores load average. Now, how to know the per core load average? How to know the per core load average, guys? क्या कर रहे हो आदि? Calculate कर रहे हो? You are right. That's it. La. I thought like you are doing calculation. Huh? Yes. How to know the per core load average? I hope you are all graduates, right? I hope you're clear like a 10th standard and then +1 and +2 also, right? Yes, no? Huh? How to know the CPU per core load average? How many cores will have, we know the both the cores load average. How we need to know the per core load average? నేను చెప్పేది అర్థం కావట్లేదా? నన్ను చూసి భయపడుతున్నారా? నాకు అర్థం కావట్లా సీరియస్ గా. हाँ? जो बोल रहा हूँ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं है तो मेरे को देख के डर डर के मारे नहीं आंसर दे रहे हो, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मेरे को. Especially offline. I don't know about online. Very good. Who's that guy? Nitish. You know how many cores will have. You know both the cores load average. Then how to know the per core load average? Total load average divided by 2, right? 2 cores means, right? If you're having 4 cores, this is one interview question. Got it. So don't open calculators and those old stuff, man. Okay. नीतीश सुपर. अगर आप ऑफलाइन में रहते तो I'll give one chocolate for you. Really. So you are in online. I'm unable to do anything. If you want, I will send chocolate image. Right. Okay. So clear? Nitish. Nitish Sharma, right? Okay. So clear, guys? Okay. So how to know the load average? Good. So let's see here. So see, guys, percentile number, percentile string value, job command, right? FG BG command you can use. So status code, okay. D uninterruptible, R running, S interruptible, T stop, small t also stop. W we doesn't have, guys. This is our old version. It's a paging, we doesn't have, not value. So in new versions 3.0, below 2.6 kernel version, like in 5.0 version we'll have, okay. X dead, Z zombie stop, right? Okay. So BSD options also we know. Guys, less than means priorities. You don't know priority. Don't bother about less than and n. Okay. And L means has page locked into memory. If we having capital L, the process has pages locked into memory for real time and custom IO input output, right? Okay. We doesn't have maximum capital L, we'll have small l. Okay. Yes means this is session leader. Let's see, I'll tell you. Gedit, for example, file one, okay, ampersand. So gedit file one, it's running into background, right? Let's check ps aux command. SL will have C. SL means session leader. SS will have C. Sorry, L means not leader, guys. Small s means leader. Small s means leader. Bash is a session leader. SS will have. This is status. The small s is session leader. Okay. Capital small l means multi-threaded. Multiple threaded will have in that particular process. L means small l. Plus means current process. I hope you got it right. I'll tell you less than capital N also. Don't worry, but not now. After completing the top command, then I will teach you. Maybe we doesn't have the time to continue. We'll continue tomorrow about like how to provide the priority to the process. Okay. Now we'll discuss top command within a 5 to 10 minutes. We are going to finish top command. Okay. So don't bother about this less than and L. Remaining all you know, right? What is session? You know, right? BSD options, Unix option. This document you'll have into Google Drive link. Okay. So I will tell you this ps-p, those both the commands, it's a very, very important for us as an administrator. I'll show you later, not now, tomorrow I will show you. Okay. So now we'll discuss top command, top. So we'll complete top. And today also I'm teaching very slowly, man. Kyunki usually I need to finish everything. So कल को postpone हुआ मतलब I'm teaching slow because this is a bit important session. Okay. So definitely you're going to get the many interview questions from the session. Okay. So it's not a big deal, guys. If you're focusing on it, then easily we can able to manage. It's not a problem, right? But we are not going to focus. I know. We are not going to focus on it, right? So जानबूझ के कर रहे हैं हम लोग, right? So let's see here. Top is a command. Top. TOP. Top, it's one kind of live monitoring tool, guys. We can able to monitor the background dynamic process details, right? Those process details, it will keep on changing. Okay. How many process it's running into a background, how much CPU it is utilizing, how much memory it utilizing, everything we can able to check in live. It's a one kind of live monitoring tool. It's one kind of live monitoring tool, right? See guys, first field time and past 1 hour 20 minutes we are running this. Past 1 hour 20 minutes we are running this operating system. So 2 users, right? 2 users. Postfix, I think it's gone. Before we'll have, no, we doesn't have, right? Only 2 user, root and student will have. Load average, this is per minute load average. This is 5 minutes load average, and this is 15 minutes load average. Right, guys? Then here total 496 tasks total will have into our operating. How many tasks will have? Total 496 tasks. In that only one task it's running into foreground. That is top command. That is top command. 495 tasks it's sleeping into background. 0 stop and 0 zombie. Clearly we can able to get the information here. This is both the code's utilization, CPU utilization, and this is memory utilization. This is swap utilization. What is swap, guys? What is swap? Swap means, what is the use of swap? Ganesh, don't know. क्यों ऐसा? I hope you are attending the session from day one onwards, right? Do you know about swap? You don't know about swap? Swap is a virtual memory. While we are discussing about proc directory, at the time clearly I have given the information to you. It's a virtual RAM. If the RAM, if it is full physical RAM, virtual RAM, it is going to provide the support to the physical RAM to get the good performance from our operating system. Very good, Nitesh. Swap is a virtual RAM. Swap utilization, RAM utilization, CPU utilization, how many processors running into the background, everything we can able to get. Like PS command, but PS command, it will show you only static values, current values only, but it will show you like dynamic values we are going to get. Okay, so first field PID, user ID, sorry, username, not user ID, PID, username, PR means priority value, NI means nice value, VART, virtual memory, RES, RSS both are same, residence at site, RES both are same. Okay, and shared memory, status, CPU utilization, memory utilization, time commands, right? So, very good, Ramya. Right. So clear, guys. Now, okay, guys, right? So, how to manage the top command, right? So, let's see here. Question mark. Question mark, you're going to get help, right? So, Z, zombie. B, sorry, not zombie, guys. Z means to change the color, not zombie, sorry. So, B means bold. E means, so summary task. L, to hide the load average, to unhide the load average. T, to hide the task, to unhide the task. M, to hide the memory, to unhide the memory, right? So clear, guys? అర్థం కాలేదా? ఏం అర్థమైందో ఏందో. So question mark, you're going to get the help related to top command. Question mark, right? Q, to quit from the help, right? So इसकी कुछ जरूरत नहीं है, so better to make a note. So those options we are going to use in top command. So let's see, question mark, help, LTM, to hide the load average, to unhide the load average, right? So question mark, we are going to get help, guys. Okay, so we need to change color. Okay, Z, small z, small z, red and black. So by default we'll have black. If you're providing small z, you're going to get red color. Then we need to modify, instead of red I need green, capital Z, capital Z. Then here, see guys, 0 black, 1 red, 2 green, 3 yellow, 4 blue, like this will have. Now 2, you're going to get green. So Z, again black, Z green, because we change the color. Again we need to get red, in the sense, again capital Z, then 1 red, right? You're going to get red. Simple to change the colors. Capital Z, small z, capital Z, small z. Okay. right? So next, L, to hide the load average, to unhide the load average. See, first line, right? Load average line will have, right? If we're using L, we are going to hide the load average. We are going to unhide the load average. L, hide and unhide. Okay. L, T means task and CPU both. It is going to hide and unhide T, task and CPU. M, memory and swap both. Memory and swap both we can able to hide and we can able to unhide. So I hope you got it, guys. Hide and unhide. Okay. So simple. LTM, to hide the load average, to unhide the load average. T, to hide the task and CPU and to unhide the task and CPU. M, to hide the memory, to unhide the memory. It may be RAM and swap both. It is going to hide and unhide, right? 1, to split the course. Actually, it is showing both the course load average, right? If you're providing 1, it is going to split 2 cores, CPU 0, CPU 1. Again 1, it will become like it is going to provide both the codes at a time. You need to split in essence 1 again, CPU 0, CPU 1. Right? 1. S means refresh rate, screen refresh rate. You can provide according to, for example, 2.0 screen refresh you need to provide. So you can give screen refresh rate. Okay. Next, B means bold, running process. See guys, we can able to highlight the net running process. See, capital B bold, small b and b you can use, it's not a problem. Small b or capital B, whatever, if you want to. If you're using small b, it is going to highlight total running process, right? Next, so H means, see guys here, capital H, it is going to sort the process running wise. Running process wise, it is going to sort. H, running process, if you will get first. Okay, sort. Then U means to find out the users, particular user process. U, then student. So you're going to get only student user process. So U, then hit enter, all the process you will get. U, root, you're going to get only, excuse me guys, root user process. Okay. So I hope you got it. Okay. So U or capital U, small u or capital, whatever, if you want to use. M means we are going to sort the process memory utilization wise. Capital M, memory utilization wise. And then P means CPU utilization wise. C, CPU utilization wise. Capital P. K, kill. K, then we need to kill the top command 7325, right? 7625. 15 signal got terminated. So clear? R, I will tell you tomorrow. So W, capital W, to save the current display configuration. Q, to quit. So if you need man page, man top. Man one top, man top, both are same. Okay. So now we need to quit from top Q. Right? Or the options are, madam. Huh? So clear, guys. I hope you got it. So how we need to, so re-nice and nice, tomorrow we are going to discuss how to like provide the CPU, priority to the particular process. How to provide the CPU priority to the process, tomorrow we'll discuss. So tomorrow you're going to finish process management and then we'll start new chapter called how to manage the services and events. Okay, clear? So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye. Yes, guys. Good evening. 6 o'clock batch will be, I don't know, man, or maybe after holidays. Ramya. Okay, right.